In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Trello using a template. So, if you're looking to get organized and streamline your content planning process, you're in the right place. The first thing you'll need to do is to direct your attention to the top of your Trello interface, where you'll see the Create button. This is located right next to the Trello search bar. Clicking on this button is your first step on the journey to creating a content calendar. Once you've clicked Create, you'll want to select the option that says Start with a Template. This is your gateway to exploring a treasure trove of pre-made boards designed for various needs. To go further, click on Explore Templates. This will take you into a library of templates, all crafted by various users to help others organize their work. Now, here's where the fun part begins. In this library, you're going to find a wide array of templates. But to find the one that will best suit your needs for planning content, look over to the top right corner. You'll see a search bar here, a handy feature indeed. Type in specific keywords like content calendar or content schedule. With these search terms, Trello will present several template options suited specifically for organizing content schedules. Browse through these options. Trello usually provides a nice variety, and to ensure that you find the one that resonates with you, hover over each one. This allows you to preview what's inside, helping you gauge whether its layout and features are a good fit for what you envision. When you find the template that feels just right, go ahead and click on it. This will give you a closer look, and once you're satisfied with your choice, you'll want to proceed by clicking Use Template. At this point, you can add a personal touch by giving your new board a unique title, something that reflects its purpose for easy identification later on. Next, you'll need to decide which Trello workspace this board will call home. If you're part of multiple teams or projects, make sure to select the workspace where this content calendar will be most useful. Additionally, you'll have the choice to keep any cards from the original template that might already be loaded with sample content or starting points, which could save you some time. Finally, once these selections are made, click Create, and there you have it. Your very own content calendar in Trello, all set up using a handy template. With this, you'll be able to plan and organize your content more efficiently, keeping everything in one easily accessible place. Enjoy your new tool, and happy planning.